And the power on the island has been reestablished to many more homeowners, but 60,000 island customers remain without electricity tonight. CTV's Jack Morris has the latest on the recovery efforts from Charlottetown.
62,000 homes and businesses still without power. That after 10,000 saw power return yesterday. A total of 21,000 are back online after the storm, and 95% of substations are up and running.
That we are making kind of incremental steps each day, and every day when we're hearing more grocery stores open and gas stations and power being restored, it's just kind of evidence that things are moving in the right direction.
An updated assessment today has 350 broken power poles. There are 99 Maritime Electric crews working on the island, with that number set to rise to 127 by tomorrow. Critical areas are still the focus for restoration efforts.
And as we work through that, all that will enable is those essential services to come back up, as well as more gas stations, more grocery stores, more community services and business will be able to open their doors.
Officials have dropped a request for islanders to stay in their homes, but they're still asking everyone to be careful and mindful of the crews out trying to get power back up. They've also renewed a call to avoid downed power lines. Lines you've driven over, walked across, or handled in the last few days could suddenly become electrified and instantly fatal.
That's my most terrifying thought through this event and through this storm, is if this happened to anyone that was near power lines. So we are continuing to ask people to stay clear of them. You know, we don't want them anywhere near them.
Power has returned to much of Summerside. That city operates its own independent electric company, which has been working to return power to those living within city limits. Now, Maritime Electric hasn't yet been able to give us an idea of when most people will be restored to power. That's simply because the job is too complicated. Once crews get in and involved, they find additional problems that have to be worked through, so the schedule is really up in the air. I followed one crew today who had to stop and turn around or divert their path several times to avoid downed power lines, that kind of thing. And that's slowing restoration efforts here. Todd?
Yeah, no doubt. Thank you for that, Jack. That's CTV's Jack Morris, continuing coverage from Charlottetown tonight.